Hello guys, my chili that was here only to make nicer the kitchen are very dry, so perfect to make chili oil. But today we will do 4 different oils: rosemary oil, chili oil, basil oil and lemon oil. You need 4 branches of rosemary, 10 chili, 15 basil leaves and 2 small lemon without the shiny skin, so should be very natural. For glass jar, a pot and a thermometer, and extra virgin olive oil. Now I will put everything in the jar. Okay, our jars are ready. Now we put them in the pot. We add the water. Remember, the water should stay under the lid because maybe if they are not closed properly, some water can enter. Better safe than sorry. Switch on the fire. Now we should reach the temperature of 70 Celsius degree. Reach this temperature, we switch off the fire, we close with the lid and see you tomorrow morning. And you can filter directly in the bottle where you will store your oil. On the bottle I wrote already the name. Our oil are ready. From the distance you can notice more the color. I will notice it now. So if you want to know the final result of they are tasting very good, you need to subscribe to the channel. So I invite you to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice about this kind of oil, let us know down in the comment. If you want a strong taste, don't use please extra virgin olive oil. You can use any kind of oil and increase the temperature. But be careful, not too high, if not the oil starts smoking and you spoil and will be very bitter. If you use extra virgin olive oil, please keep the temperature of 70 Celsius degree. If not, you spoil the oil. Remember? Okay, I cannot taste it, but I can smell it. Spectacular. With the lemon, if you make a pasta with fish, perfect. And maybe also the basil. Perfect if you do bruschetta or with mozzarella cheese. Really, really spectacular. Bye bye.